Hello, and welcome again. Step into clear, confident financial English through the use of essential phrasal verbs used in workplace communication. Let's dive straight into human resources, or better known as HR. Take on definition: to hire or recruit new employees. Synonym: recruit. Example: the organization is planning to take on additional staff to support its growth strategy. Let go definition: to dismiss or terminate employment. Synonym: dismiss. Example: the company had to let go several employees due to restructuring. Bring in definition: to introduce new talent or expertise into the organization. Synonym: appoint. Example: they brought in a new HR director to modernize talent management. Phase out definition: to gradually eliminate roles, policies, or practices. Synonym: eliminate. Example: the company is phasing out outdated job roles in favor of automation. Step down definition: to resign from a position, typically voluntarily. Synonym: resign. Example: the manager stepped down after 10 years in the role. Move up definition: to be promoted within the organization. Synonym: promotion. Example: she quickly moved up the ranks due to her leadership capabilities. Fill in definition: to temporarily replace someone. Synonym: substitute. Example: he filled in as team leader during her maternity leave. Takeover definition: to assume responsibility for a role or function. Synonym: assume control. Example: she will take over the department starting next quarter. Put forward definition: to nominate or recommend someone. Synonym: propose. Example: HR put forward several candidates for the leadership program. Turn down definition: to reject a job offer or proposal. Synonym: decline. Example: he turned down the offer due to relocation constraints. Take up definition: to begin a new role or position. Synonym: assume. Example: she will take up her new position as HR manager next month. Layoff definition: to terminate employees due to business reasons. Synonym: redundancy. Example: the company laid off staff following a decline in revenue. Call-in definition: to request someone's presence, often urgently. Synonym: summon. Example: HR called in the employee to address the grievance. Sort out definition: to resolve a workplace issue or conflict. Synonym: resolve. Example: the HR team worked to sort out internal disputes efficiently. Follow-up definition: to check progress or revisit an issue. Synonym: review. Example: HR will follow up on the employee engagement survey results. Rollout definition: to implement a new policy or program. Synonym: launch. Example: the company rolled out a new performance management system. Clamp down on definition: to enforce rules more strictly. Synonym: enforce. Example: management is clamping down on absenteeism. Sign off on definition: to formally approve a decision or document. Synonym: approve. Example: the HR director signed off on the revised compensation structure. Brush up on definition: to improve or refresh skills. Synonym: refresh. Example: employees are encouraged to brush up on compliance training annually. Walkout definition: to leave a job or meeting abruptly, often in protest. Synonym: exit abruptly. Example: several employees walked out following the policy announcement. If you found this useful, feel free to like and share. And just in case I don't see you again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.